In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Wrike. Whether you're gearing up to expand a project or simply need a similar template for new work, duplicating a project can save time and help maintain consistency across tasks. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser. This could be whichever browser you feel most comfortable using, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, type Wrike into the search bar. This will bring up the main Wrike website, allowing you to log in to your account. Upon reaching the Wrike homepage, you'll need to either click Log In if you already have an account, or if you're exploring Wrike for the first time, you can select Try Wrike for free. For the purpose of duplicating projects, it's essential that you are logged into your existing account where your current projects are housed. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the space containing the project you want to duplicate. This is your workspace hub where all your projects are organized, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. Locate the specific space or folder where your project is stored. Clicking around can be quite intuitive, so don't worry if it takes a minute to find your bearings. Now that you've found the project, head over to the sidebar. Here, you'll want to right-click on the project's name. Doing this will open up a context menu. It's essentially a small window that provides additional options for managing your project. In this case, you'll be looking for the Duplicate option within that menu. Once you've selected Duplicate, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is where you can configure your new project. You'll have several options here. You can change the name of the project, choose a new location for where it will be stored, and decide if you want to copy over elements like the project description, assignees, or any custom fields. Take your time to adjust these settings according to your needs, as this will determine how closely the duplicate mirrors your original project. When you're satisfied with all your configurations, the next step is to click the Duplicate button within that dialog box. This might seem straightforward, but it's an important confirmation step, so make sure you review everything before proceeding. By clicking Duplicate, you're instructing Wrike to create the new project using the settings you've specified. And there you have it. Your original project has now been successfully duplicated, ready for you to tweak or expand as needed. Remember, this process is not only a time saver, but also a strategic way to maintain consistency across your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Wrike.